Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial, I'll discuss about Object.freeze. This is very simple but very important. So first of all, for explaining this one, here I will create a simple object. So here I'll take one variable that is called object. This is a short form of object. I wrote obj, but if you want to write any other variable name, you can do that. And here I will just assign a object syntax, this curly braces. So this is the syntax of object. So now here I will write on property name, that is name, and here I will assign a value which is my name. But the property name and the value you can write anything. Okay, just for explaining purpose, here I'm writing this one, so it is not the mandatory thing. And now here, suppose if I want to change this name value after assigning this one, right? So what I can do? So first of all, here you have to understand this name property. This object variable is holding this name property and this value, right? So here when I want to access this one, so first of all I have to access this variable obj, and then if I write the dot, so here you can see it is showing the suggestion, this property name which is name. So here if I write object or name, now I can access this value because this object variable holding only this property and the value, right? So when I write object dot name, so this is the syntax, so I can access this one. And now here I want to change the value of this one, right? So here I can write this value, right? So here what it will happen? So when I will console.log, and in the console if I write this object, okay, this object variable, so what will be the output? So you can guess and you can write in the comment section. So if your output is this one, so you are wrong because here I already changed the value, that is John, right? So the output will be John. So now the name value is changed to John, right? So the output will be John. So that is the thing. So first of all I will show you in the console, and later we will understand here what is freeze. So here you can see the value is changed. Initially it was Anirudh, but when I change to John, so it is now displaying John, right? So now if I just comment this one, so what will be the output? So output will be Anirudh because whatever I changed, that I commented, right? So now here if I come, so see the value is Anirudh. So I hope here it is clear. So now here you have to understand what is freeze. So here just I will comment this one because this code if I keep here, so it will be easy to understand. So now here again I will create same object, so variable level will take the same, and now here just here I have assigned like this way, okay, object. So now instead of that, just simply here I will write object, okay, this is the method, okay, object dot, here I had to write freeze. See here when I type fr, so it is showing in the suggestion, so I'll take this one freeze, and then parenthesis, inside this parenthesis just simply I will assign the object. Initially I assigned just without this freeze, now I'll assign this object inside this freeze like this. So this is the syntax. Okay, now same thing I'll do, just I will try to change this value, okay, and I'll console. So what it will happen? So here just I'll just comment out those things, okay, those two things. So just here I will select and comment out, okay. So what will be the output? So this time if your output is Aniruddha, so you are correct because here it is freeze, so this value never be changed, okay. So that is the thing, So now I'll save, and here I'll come, see value is Aniruddha because here I have written this name property inside this freeze. Freeze means it will freeze the value, we cannot change. So that is the thing, and that is very important. This question you may get in the interview, so that will be very important for you. And if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.